Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is just gonna be a really cool, really chill video. I am going to be reviewing the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream highlighter palette, and I'm just getting ready. I actually have a dentist appointment and I work a little later today. Without me rambling on, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so this is the brand new highlighter kit. Highlighter Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and please talk about the packaging first. It's so amazing. I absolutely love holographic. That's my favorite. Anything holographic is like my jam. So I'm just going to explain to you what these are supposed to be, and then we're going to try them out and see if this glow kit is good. So these are supposed to be metallic powder highlighters. They're supposed to have intense luminosity, and the shades can be layered together or they can be worn separately. The shades that we have in here are Wish, Unicorn, Magic, Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal. Now I'm just going to swatch them on my hands and then show you guys some swatches of it. Off the bat, these are super pigmented. I'm really loving Regal a lot. So right here with me, I have you guys zoomed up closer as well. I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush, which is obviously the brush that they recommend when using this product. And if you haven't noticed, the actual layout of it looks like the same layout like the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, which is super cool. I'm pretty sure that not everybody loves these kind of highlights. They like more traditional highlighting, but me being an artist and a makeup artist and me just loving colors like this, kind of did something really neutral. And I'm going to be wearing all black, so I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Sunshine. This one seems more of like the traditional highlight. I'm going to just layer some because that's usually what I like to do with highlighters anyway, especially when I have like a palette like this. Picked up lots of products. Whoa. Okay. Hello, lover. So in the pan, I would definitely say, just from initial swatching and then putting it on my cheek, these are duochrome because this does have a yellow base, a gold yellow base, but it does have a pink shift in it. That is the color Sunshine. I'm really digging Sunshine. Normally I would just go in with that same highlighter like on my nose, but I actually want to use a different color from the palette. So on my nose, I'm going to do Unicorn. Actually, I'm going to take Wish. Whoa. That one applied way more on the bristle. I like this one too. Definitely has fallout. The Nicole Glow Kit also has fallout as well, so that looks pretty. I'm going to take this and just wipe off some of the brush. I want to go in with Unicorn on my chin. And now I'm going to take the shade Unicorn and I'm going to put that right on my chin. Whoa, that one looks so cool. I know you guys can't see it on the brush. This brush is definitely picking up a lot of product, which is really good. And this one looks like pink. Ooh, this is a pretty highlight. It's very, very purple. I'm going to go ahead with Ethereal highlight because I put it on my brush by accident. So I'm just going to use it instead of wasting it and apply it right on top of Unicorn. Ooh, wow. That made it more intense. So I think that Unicorn has more of a pink shift, a pink and purple shift, and then Ethereal is like a lilac purple, so the two together really complement each other. The color of this highlighter looks really cool. I mean, I do wish that I would have put it here, even though it's really cool because you can actually kind of see like a pink shift. And I'm actually gonna take I'm going to mix Unicorn and Ethereal and apply that to the top of my highlight. So the only shades that I haven't used are Regal and Magic. But Regal is a really beautiful peachy color. And I think I'm going to use that as my blush topper and see if it gives like a glow to my blush. Take a MAC 109 brush and I'm going to take Regal. So it literally matched the blush that I use. The blush that I have on, if you wanted to know, is Warm Soul. Warm Soul by MAC Cosmetics. And it's honestly the same shade as that, just with high shine and like a glow. So I already know that Regal is going to look so good on my chocolate babies. Okay, so you can definitely see in the camera that this highlighter kit is glowy, metallic, glittery. I love it. Now I'm gonna go change and I will be right back. I definitely do have to say that for me, this product is Calissa approved. I actually really liked this highlight kit, and if I had to compare it, I think that the formula of this highlight kit is the most comparable to the Nicole Glow Kit. It's supposed to be a metallic finish. And I don't think that the Nicole Guerrero kit was supposed to be metallic. It was just supposed to be like high shine and luminosity. But I feel like the texture is very similar to that, and I loved that palette. And you can see like it added a serious glow to my skin, which that's all I look for in a highlighter palette. I wanted to not emphasize my texture, and I want it to be very glowy, and I want to fall in love with it because one of my favorite products and one of my favorite makeup products to buy is definitely highlighters and glow kits and highlighting palettes. So I definitely think that this is a win for me. I would only recommend this for those who want to try fun colors like this, because there is really only like 2 colors that are like your more traditional highlighting colors, and the rest are kind of fun colors. So I would only recommend you to buy this if you're looking for colors like this for just for you to have in general, or for a certain event and you want to get a more high-end highlighter. I would definitely check this out. I mean, you definitely have to love these kind of highlighting colors if you're gonna get this glow kit. I wouldn't get it if you are like very traditional with your makeup and you like natural looking highlighters, or like more beige highlighters or gold highlighters. Like this one's not really up your alley. Didn't really find, I think the texture is amazing in this palette, and I didn't really find any faults in it, except for one fault, which is there's fallout, which I really hate when my highlighter like it's falling out and it gets everywhere, because I place my highlighter very meticulously. Like I want it in a specific area. I don't want it all over my face. You know, that we gotta save that for if we ever do the highlighter challenge, which I probably won't ever do, but yeah, I really do like this palette, and I think that it's so beautiful. Like even if I don't use it, I just love the fact that I have it. Just so that you guys know, this kit is $45, which is a very pricey, and not everybody has $45 to spend on a damn highlight palette. So, you know, make sure that if you want to get this, it's going to be an investment for you. Alright guys, so that is it. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any of the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palettes or glow kits, please let me know. Please let me know down below. I would love to know which highlighter palettes you have and which ones you love, or maybe which ones you don't really like or don't really connect to. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that YouTube can remind you of when I post new videos, because YouTube's doing some funky stuff. So just make sure that you hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of when I post my newest video. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for walking. Thank you for walking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have a blessed day.